Here are 3 news stories from the world of the crypto industry. First, news. 47% of Americans want to invest in cryptocurrency. According to a recent poll conducted by Harris Poll, geopolitical tensions and inflation are prompting an increasing number of American voters to turn their attention to Bitcoin. The survey, sponsored by Bitcoin ETF issuer Grayscale, showed that 1 in 3 voters in the U.S. will consider a political candidate's stance on cryptocurrencies before casting their vote. Voter interest in cryptocurrency surges. The study surveyed over 1,700 potential U.S. voters. Of these, 77% believe that U.S. presidential candidates should at least have some understanding of cryptocurrencies. The poll revealed that 41% of potential voters are paying closer attention to Bitcoin and other crypto assets due to geopolitical tensions, inflation, and the weakening of the U.S. dollar, up from 34% in November 2023. Additionally, 47% of respondents plan to include cryptocurrency in their investment portfolios, up from 40% last year. The main concern for voters remains inflation, 28%, which increases the appeal of digital assets like Bitcoin, which have a limited and transparent supply. Events such as the approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF in the U.S. in January 2024 and the halving in April 2024 have heightened voters' interest in investing in BTC and other crypto assets, as reported by 18% and 20% of voters, respectively. Notably, 9% of senior voters also reported increased interest in investing in Bitcoin or other crypto assets following the ETF approval. Voters call for clear and transparent cryptocurrency regulation. Grayscale highlighted BTC's strong performance in 2024. On March 13, its price reached a new all-time high, prompting some to dub the upcoming elections as Bitcoin elections. The focus is not limited to BTC alone but extends to many other crypto assets. Nearly a third of voters, 32%, reported that since the beginning of the year, they have become more open to exploring or investing in cryptocurrencies. The survey also showed that voters increasingly view cryptocurrency as a good long-term investment opportunity. 23% believe so, compared to 19% in November 2023. Clear legislation could further increase the appeal of cryptocurrency among voters. The study found that 52% of voters are more likely to invest in cryptocurrency with more transparent regulation, up from 48% in November 2023. A significant majority, 79%, agreed that political leaders should work on creating frameworks and regulations that ensure the protection and accessibility of financial services for investors. Second, news. Paranoid blockchain technology for software protection unveiled in the U.S. As reported by TechLink, the national technology transfer partner of the Department of Defense, the U.S. Navy's Air Combat Command has developed a solution to counter hacker attacks. Initially, it was created to protect software for military aviation programs. However, as the technology was tested, developers found that it could be used by any company looking to protect its software. After some modifications, the solution became available to commercial entities, and Navy representatives stated that they are interested in having private companies participate in joint research to further improve technologies for protecting against attacks from organized cyber criminal groups. Third, news. Crypto analyst Michael van de Poppe names 5 altcoins capable of bringing quick profits. Michael van de Poppe believes that following the introduction of spot ETFs tied to Ethereum in the US, the altcoin market is ready for significant growth. In 1 week, the ETH rate has increased by more than 25%. The positive market sentiment, fueled by the approval of the ETH ETF, could trigger a bullish trend across the entire market, the analyst believes, and many altcoins will quickly follow Ethereum's lead. The first altcoin van de Poppe named is Optimism, OP. The reason, 30% of the coin's market capitalization is locked in the ecosystem, giving OP investors high potential for significant profits. Currently, OP is trading at $2.45, and the analyst predicts that the rate will increase by almost 300 to 800% in the next 6 months. The expert also mentioned promising investments in Arbitrum, ARB. Recently, the project announced the release of 225 million ARB coins worth about $250 million in support of the Gaming Catalyst Program, GCP, attracting investors. Currently, ARB is priced at $1.13, and Poppe expects the coin to grow by 250 to 300%. WO Network, WO, also has promising prospects. Poppe explained that as the Ethereum ecosystem expands, decentralized exchanges like WO Network could gain popularity due to increasing trading volumes. The WO rate will grow by 300 to 800%, the expert believes. The analyst also highlighted Wormhole, predicting that the rate of this crypto asset will grow by 200 to 400%, citing the importance of launching solutions that enhance blockchain interoperability. Poppe did not overlook the meme coin Doge. Despite its rate falling by 81% from its peak, Dogecoin could grow by 400 to 500%. This will be linked to the anticipated demand for meme cryptocurrencies, the trader expects. According to Michael Van de Poppe's February forecast, Ethereum should surpass the important $4,000 mark in the next few months. It is now less than $200 away from reaching this goal.